Good morning children. Welcome back to online teaching class. Today we are going to start new lesson 2.1 our country India. India is a great country where people speak different languages but the national language is Hindi. India is full of different castes, creeds, religions and cultures but they live together. That's the reason India is famous for the common saying of unity in diversity. India is the seventh largest country in the world and it is a part of Asia, which is the biggest continent in the world. Let's begin our lesson. Our country, India. Our India is a great country. It is a land of high mountains and fertile plains. It is also a land of deep valleys and big rivers. It is a land of tall trees and dense forest. It is a land of beautiful flowers and sweet fruits. It is the land of tigers and peacocks. It is a land of truth and peace that has produced many great men and women. See, children, India is a great country. It is a land of high mountains and fertile plains. The Himalayan mountain range is the world's highest mountain range. The Himalayas are one of the world's youngest mountain ranges. The most fertile plain in India is Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Plain, also known as the Indus-Ganga Plain. Arku Valley. Arku Valley is the deepest valley in India. It is located in Andhra Pradesh in India. Now see about river. The Ganga is the longest river in India and also the largest river in India. Forest is a piece of land with many trees. Many animals need forest to survive. Forests are very important and grow in many places around the world. India is the land of colors and faith. Our trees aren't just trees, but an instrument of God, a shrine of supreme and a sacred, alive creature. Perhaps only in India the Ayurveda has proved over and again that apart from being a sacred shrine, a tree is selfless object of nature. It gives shelter and shade to birds and humans alike. India is the only country in the world where lions and tigers coexist in the wild. It has the largest deer as well as tiger population. Peacock has been designated the national bird of India. It is fully protected under the Indian wildlife. India has been blessed with a number of great men and women all through the centuries. Now, see here, India is a big country. It is part of Asia. From north to south, it is about 3,200 kilometers. From east to west, it is about 2,900 kilometers. Its land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers. It has a coastline of about 7,500 kilometers. Its total land area is about 32 lakh 90,000 square kilometer. Now look at this map. The upper end of this is north. This is south. This is east and this is west. See children, from north to south, it is about 3,200 kilometer, and from east to west, it is about 2,900 kilometer. Now Look at this map. In this map, land frontier is showing. Now, what do you understand by land frontier? See, the part of a country that borders another country is land frontier. Now, look at this map in which coastline is showing. It is about 7,500 kilometer, and the total land area of India is about 32 lakh 90,000 square kilometer. That's all for today. Thank you, students.